That's right, it's a fucking Cummins. It's a 2007 Dodge Cummins 2500 SLT, blue, and it's blue like blue balls. But man, this truck's badass. Check it out, 2007 Dodge Cummins 2500 SLT, leather, lifted, Bilstein shocks, all-terrain tires. What else? Fender flares. I mean, it's a nice truck. Check it out. Top to bottom, inside and out, full exhaust. It's beast. And it's actually, look, I'm sweating my balls off, like blue balls, like Dodge 2007 Dodge Cummins. Yeah, it's hot out here today. It's 75 degrees. This is like the first day in a hot minute it's been this hot. But this is a Dodge Cummins. This is Mark. Let's go check it out. Come on. As you guys have heard, this truck sounds pretty friggin' beast. Super nice truck. The paint is immaculate. I mean, there's a few spots on it that are you know, they're probably a rock chip here or there down at the base or whatnot, but nothing too hateful, you know. Super nice leather interior, rain guards. It's got the tow mirrors, of course. You know, some people hate them, some people love them. I like them only on the you know, super big ass freaking Cummins with the tires sticking out that far. That's when they somewhat look good, or when you're towing something, because that's what they're used for. Inside's immaculate, really nice, super clean, super nice. Four-wheel drive, Sony system. I think it's Bluetooth. I don't know. Yeah, Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth. LED lights all inside. No rips in the seats. Really clean. You get Aries step rails right here. You got full exhaust all the way back, dumped out the axle. Really nice. No rust underneath. I mean, you got surface rust, but nothing really compromising. You know, it's super clean, this truck. It's not a Bighorn edition. I called Dodge. It's, somebody put that there, so I left it. Looks nice or whatnot. It's got a Line-X bed liner. Really clean. A little bit of dirt and mud spots for me walking on them, but walking around the truck. Let's start it up, you know? Let's just start it up. Super clean. 108,000 miles on this truck. And leather seats, you know, and all the, you got some uneven discoloration right here, but for the most part, no rips, and that's what I like. Start it up, show you guys how it sounds. Ready? And this is the 5.9 Cummins, guys. That's right, the 5.9 Cummins. 5.9's coming your butt like flamers. I love the comment one of you guys left. One of you guys was like, let me see if that's aimed right, hold on. There we go, right there, that's it, that's the way I like it. Yeah, so one of you guys, I forgot who it was, I don't know, one of you guys on the comments was like, I said something about, what's the difference between a gay guy or a fag? Oh, how does it go? What's the difference between a fag and a refrigerator? And the joke was, the fridge doesn't fart when you pull the meat out. One of your guys' comments was like, you're gonna ruffle some feathers with that one, Mark. But the comment, the way you said it, just fucking, it made me laugh my ass off. I like that. Ruffle some feathers, and gay guys are, no offense against gay guys, you guys are cool and everything, but it's just funny. You know, I like to have a good time, so on with the truck. Ready? She sounds beast. Super nice truck. I'm gonna get on with the video. Sounds tough as hell going down the road. And you can see, look at the door jambs. There's the VIN plate, VIN sticker. Look at that, guys. Look at that, how clean this is. Look at that. Watch this, ready? Watch this. Hope you just got that, because I licked those door jambs. That's how clean it is. Look at that. You got a little bit of scrapage right here from people getting in and out. Power seats. That's it. Hope you guys like it. America, baby. America. That's it. Oh, look at that. America. Huh. Go figure. I was just talking about America. American flag, baby. America. America. So, if you guys have any questions, holler at me. 540-848-2971. This is Mark with the 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT 5.9 liter Cummins your butt. Don't ruffle any feathers out there. Holler at me. Peace out.